Very good morning, children. Class 9. Today I am going to start first chapter. This is my first video. Children, I hope so you are well at home and staying at home. And please take care of yourself as it is with. Please take care of your family. Okay, and maintain social distancing. How the government has been given the guideline. Okay, now get back to our work. Okay, myself Priyanka Sena Karmukar. I think first day I have already introduced myself in the class, but that day I have not started the chapter. But today I will going to start the chapter. Get back to our work, and we have to start and we have to cover it up on time, right? So for that I think all the subjects of yours has been already started. My also class 10 children I have already started teaching through online, but today I just introduce myself in a first chapter, and a little bit of learning today I will give it to you. I will not make it very much longer my video, but if children, I have already opened one done my channel, and that through YouTube you can visit it, and in the school site also it can be available, right? So if you have any query through the video, go through the videos in detail. If you have any query, any doubt, you can ask me anytime. Your class teacher will soon, I think they have been made already the groups for the section wise, and they have also added me. So please go through the videos, and whatever work has been given to you, that has to be done in your classwork geography copy. Okay, so let it get back. India, size and location. Okay, so this is the first chapter of our class 9 syllabus. I think this chapter little bit you are knowing, and the earlier classes you have already understood that what is geography, and what generally we will learn the geographical part in class 9, the physical portion. Physical portion, I need to say that physical portion, it means that whatever the landforms, whatever the climatic portions, that are all coming under the physical geography. Okay, so class 9 we will learn that. Class 10 we will further learn the political part, as it is with the agriculture and all. Okay, so that will be later on part. Class 9 today I will start. I think some of the cases you will get that some of the ideas you are having from class 7, some of the ideas you have already done, that geography different chapters you have done in class 6. So some relations will be there, that also I will tell in detail. Okay, so here I am starting, and whenever you will see the videos, please go through the book thoroughly, NCERT book, whatever has been given to you, and whenever I will sit for teaching, so that time also you have to keep your book with you, because some cases some meanings you will not very clear through the the reading process. Okay, so that time if you will get some difficult words, so that time only I will tell the answer of the difficult words. It will be easier for you to it will be easier for you to understand, as it is with beside area. You also with the pencil you can also write it down. Okay, so let me get back. India, one of the ancient civilization that we know. First of all, I think in the history class 6 you have already learned that our first civilization has been started from India, as it is with Pakistan, but most of the part has been gotten to Pakistan. Whichever it will be of the Indus Valley civilization. Indus Valley civilization, in this the ancient one which has been started from India onwards, right? In the world, it achieved how it has been means specified, because that time we can see the different social structure, as it is with our economical structure, as it is with the different type of society, their classes, their castes, all things has been well planned, as it is with, and also the city, whatever we have seen that time, the cities are well planned. Like us, we in the Keonjhar, generally we are living in the municipal area. Okay, municipal areas are that wherever the cities and lands are properly has been distributed in the plots. Plots means the piece of land. Okay, there will be arrangements are there, like after few of the houses we have some lanes or roads. Beside the lanes we are having that some of the street lights are there, right? So these are coming under, means these are the one of the signature of or some specifications or the some speciality or some features of some municipal area. Municipal area we have means getting some extra benefit, right? Right. So municipal area we I think every day morning you can able to see some means cleaning staffs are coming there, cleaning the things and they are going, right? So I just telling all this example as your convenience for the how the planned city are. Planned city are that time Indus Valley Civilization, the planned city has been started to made. Okay, according to that we now these days we are getting the modernized city structures. Okay, now we will tell first the location of India. Location of India. India has been a vast country. Vast country how it will be, and we can know we will know through the chapter that these India will be a sub part of Asia, right? I think that you have already learned in class 7. But we will come to know over this first and second chapter that will be India will be called as a subcontinent. Subcontinent is a landmass which has been divided some physical features through some physical features from the main continent. Okay, some physical features, it can be mountain, it can be river, it can be valleys, or it can be something else, or some water bodies it can be. Okay, we will know India will be subcontinent. Okay, India, I think everybody is knowing India is totally lying in the northern hemisphere. Hemisphere, I think ideas also you are having. Hemisphere means whenever earth is divided into two equal parts. How we are dividing the earth? Through the equator, the line which is dividing the earth into two equal halves. It will be called as, each of the halves are called as the hemispheres. Hemispheres means the half of the portion. If you will take one orange or if you will take one apple, if you will cut it from the middle, upper portion and lower portion, whatever it is coming, two portions are coming, each will be knowing as these hemispheres. Okay, hemisphere, India totally lies in the northern hemisphere. Okay, how could you know that? How could you if you go through the map, it will be very much clear to you. Okay, and some things I will tell you that you have to note it down, like the main land extends. Acha, here we will learn about the latitudes and the longitudes. I think your ideas are very much clear about latitudes as well as the longitudes. Latitudes, our latitudes are going through west to east directions. It means that if you count as our hands, it will extend like this way. So our left hand to right hand side, if we will take, our left hand side will be the west, right will be the east, and our head will be the north and our legs will be the south, right? It will be easier for remind also. Okay, so India will be, so extension. Now I will come to the extension part. Extension means from which latitudes to which latitudes, from which longitudes to which longitudes it will be coming under. Okay, so India will be coming totally in the northern hemisphere. Which latitudes to which latitudes? 8 degree, please underline students, those who are please sitting with the book or not sitting with the book, before seeing my video please sit with the book and you have to underline that. 8 degree 4 minute north and 37 degrees 6 minute north. It means the and, why written and? Because it starts from 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degrees 6 minutes north. Okay, north, why not given? Because India totally lies in the northern hemisphere. That is why it has not given south, only given the north. Okay, understood? Now, can we move on? Yeah, we will move on. Next, and longitudes. Longitudes I have what said? Longitudes we are marking how? Longitudes we are marking, I think class 6 you have learned it very nicely. Okay, so longitudes are that. Longitudes we are getting from the, acha, you tell me longitudes how will measure? Like equator is dividing the earth into two equal halves in the northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Like that, one more line will be there which is passing through north to south, right? What we will tell? We will tell it as a meridian. Okay, the standard meridian. The standard meridian, which is also the divides, which is go through the north to south. If we'll north to south means our head to toe, right? So if we'll go one, if we'll, that cross sections, how xy lines you have drawn, how you are making the lines in from your head to toe, like the straight line, that will be a standard meridian. Okay, how we will get from the standard meridian? How, what is the benefit of the standard meridian? Standard meridian, which is divides the earth into again two equal parts. What are they? One will be eastern hemisphere, another will be western hemisphere. India, again you will see the map, there also you can find it out. India will be totally lies in the eastern hemisphere. Okay, eastern hemisphere totally lies in the eastern hemisphere. So longitudes are 68 degrees. Please underline that, you have to learn it, because the short questions are coming as it is with. Some questions are coming like twisted way, it is coming, so you have to mention it over there, right? Longitudes of 68 degrees 7 minutes east and 97 degree, and means both are in the eastern hemisphere, starts from eastern hemisphere, ends also eastern hemisphere. That is why it has been given and. If it could be east and west, it has been given or. Okay, so that is why here also it has been given the and. The Tropic of Cancer, acha, except of the equator, we have more two important lines. What are they? More two, not more, so many more we have, but elsewhere I am telling. One is passing through the India, that will be Tropic of Cancer, another will be Tropic of Capricorn. Tropic of Cancer totally passes through the India from the middle. Middle means from the, if you see our human body, it will go through our tummy, like, okay, understood? Yeah. Tropic of Cancer, what is the measurement, what is the number, what is the actual its identification? 23 degree half minute, 30 minute, one dot above, it will be minute sign. Okay, if it will be two dots, it will be seconds are coming. Why it is coming in minutes and seconds? I think you have better idea. Class 6 you have, I think, learned. If you have any doubt, so please you can ask me, right? Divides, the Tropic of Cancer divides the country into mostly almost two equal parts. Almost equal parts. Again here, Tropic of Cancer, it is totally passes through the center of India. So that is why it will be also divides the India into two halves. One will be northern side, another will be southern side. Okay, to the southeast and southwest of the mainland. Achha, to the southeast and southwest of the mainland. And India mostly it has been lies in the center part of the Asia. Okay, why? If you see the map, I will show you in the class, whenever class will start, that time only I will show you that India totally has been the structure will be in the middle portion of the Asia. Okay, some portions are left side, some portions are right side also. Okay, but it is lies more or less in the middle portions only. Acha, another one, some more features. What is that? Lies the Andaman Nicobar Islands and Lakshadweep in the Bay of Bengal. Acha, India is having three water bodies India is having. One is the eastern side, another will be western side, another will be down portion. Okay, eastern part we have our Bay of Bengal, like Puri you have gone. I think Puri, beside Puri, what sea will be there? What is the name of the water body? It will be of Bay of Bengal. But the color of the water will be blue, right? More or less. If you go to the western side, wherever Mumbai is located, that side, Maharashtra, so many states are there. So there we can able to see one more water body will be there. That will be our western side. Okay, it will be of the Arabian Sea. And in the down portion, wherever Sri Lanka is located, it's a country. I think you know that Sri Lanka is a country. So in the down portion of that India, which is connecting the which ocean? It will be of Indian Ocean. Okay, so these are the three very important water bodies of India. Acha, in these water bodies, in the eastern side, mostly people you can able to see, Andaman Nicobar Islands are located in the western side. We can able to see in the Arabian Sea. Lakshadweep group of islands are located. Okay, these are the features. If anybody has been asked, or in the board question has been asked for, what are the features of these Indian landmass? So you have to write it in a point like this way. Okay, first you have to write down the location, then only it will be, then we will coming under in the size also. So what is the important lines, which hemisphere it has been located, then what are the water bodies it is having. Okay, so these are the special features of India. Okay, next we move on. Size. The land mass of India is the total area, please underline children, is 3.28 lakh or million square kilometer. India's total account for 2.4% of the total geographical area of the earth. India is wherever located in the earth, how much percentage it is having the land? Land is having the area of 2.4% in the total earth, of the total world or total earth. You can also find it out. Questions are coming, MCQs generally coming, or 1 marks questions are coming. India is having how much portion of the total land area of the world or to the earth? If it has been asked, then you have to give the answer that it will be coming under 2.4%, right? Now, down portion of page number 2, one graph has been given. Okay, there some countries are given according to their sizes. Sizes means how much land area it is capturing, how much portion it is capturing. According to the size means how much big the area of the land or the continent or the countries. Okay, according to that, the countries are coming under, first will be Russia, second will be Canada, third will be USA, fourth will be China, Brazil, Australia, and then it will coming under India. Okay, India. So India will be demarcating the 7th position of the total land of the 7th largest country of the world. Okay, India has a land boundary. Land boundary means we have some boundaries. I think children, have you marked that in your copy? Outline maps we are giving for practicing of yours. So that will be of the land boundary. Land boundary means the mainland. Mainland means all the lands. What is the all side boundary? It can be from the northern side, it can be from the western side, it can be from the eastern, it can be from the southern. Okay, so all the land boundaries are coming under this boundary of about 15,200 kilometer. Please underline that. Questions are coming from there. 1 marks question, as it is with the MCQ, or questions can be twisted. So if the special features within that, you have to add this. Total length of the coastline. Now we will tell about the total length of the coastline. Coastline means what? Wherever the oceans and seas are located, that also coming under in the coastlines. Coastline means total coastline area will be, India is having, I have already said that Bay of Bengal we are having Andaman and Nicobar on that coastline area. As it is with, we are having Lakshadweep. As it is with, we are having the western side, the Arabian Sea. So that total eastern coast, western coast, Andaman Nicobar, as it is with Lakshadweep, all the total coastlines are coming under. If you measure, it will coming under the total length of the 7,516.6 kilometers. That also you have to underline. Now I will tell you, India is bounded by, I think you have already known in class, which class? Class 7, that Himalayan mountains. It's a 4 young mountains. We will learn further in detail the second chapter. Okay, wherever it is located in the north, it is located in the northwest, it is located in the northeast also. Okay, this is also a special feature. South of about 22 degree latitude begins Tapper. Tapper means the location of that Himalayas extended in one side, like northwestern part it is extended. Extended means broad, and eastern parts, whenever northeastern part is coming, and Tapper means a coming narrower, and it is becoming narrower one. This will be coming under this shape will be called as the Tapper. Okay, if you ask the question, one side broad, if you ask the that meaning of the taper, it will be one side broader, another side it will be narrower. It will be called as the tapering shape. Okay, like here, if I will show you the shape of the Himalayas. Wait, I will show you. Acha, here we can see taper means is one side it is northwestern side it is become broader, and if it will go through the eastern side it will become taper. Okay, taper means the narrow one. Okay, so taper, narrower. And what the special features of these? Towards the Indian Ocean, dividing into and extends towards the Indian Ocean, dividing into two seas. Arabian Seas, that I have already said that Arabian Sea it is located in the west, and the Bay of Bengal it is located in the eastern side. Okay. Acha. Another thing that I need to tell you, that is of around. Acha, I have already told about the latitudinal extension. Extension means from where to where, and longitudinal extension means from where to where. Around, if you'll see, it will be 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 minute north. Around 30 to 31 degree differences are coming. If we'll do the minus from 37 degree, from 8 degree, from 37 degree to 8 degree, around 30 to more than 30 degree the differences are coming. As it is with, if you'll see the longitudinal difference extension 68 degree to 97 degree, around 30 degree the differences are coming. Okay, so it will be appear smaller than. Acha, extension is differences north south part, northern and southern part. Northern southern part the extension will be more than east west, right? Then east and west, northern southern part is more bigger. Okay children, today up to here, I think today up to here that will be enough. From there I will ask you some questions, like, or together I will give you in the next video. Is it? Okay, tomorrow I will give next video whenever it will come. That time will be the questions will be given. If you have any doubt, again I am telling, in the group also or in my videos you can ask. Please subscribe my videos, then only you can able to see it. Okay, thank you children.